Hi friends, welcome back. Okay, that was really annoying. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are filming a Nightmare Before Christmas themed cook with me video. I've got lots of different Halloween cook with me and bake with me videos planned, so make sure you subscribe for all the 61 days of Halloween content this year. Today I am using my Disney, Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas, the official cookbook and entertaining guide to make this for you guys. Today we are making Sally's Frog's Breath soup. So freaking cute, so much fun. Hold on, where is the recipe? I need to find it. 1 second, here it is. It's called the Worms Wort. It's called the Worms Wort. It's called the Worms Wort and Frog Breath soup. Okay, I want to cover it up for copyright purposes, but this is what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully we can get something close to that. So we're going to be making this together. So first off, I'm going to need butter, leeks, 1 russet potato, some vegetable or chicken broth, asparagus, salt, black pepper, heavy cream, and fresh chives. This is supposed to yield 4 to 6 servings, so let's see if it does just that. That was me checking if Amazon had delivered my package. Okay, let's move on. So I started by chopping up the leeks. I just topped off the bottom portions as well as the top halves. And then I started slicing and I diced it up into small pieces. Then I slid it all into a colander so that I could wash it and get it nice and clean. Super important to wash leeks because they do get quite dirty. Then I went ahead and started peeling the potato. Hi, Max. After peeling the potato, I chopped it in half and then in half again and then 2 small, about inch size cubes. Then I set all of the potatoes beside to use a little bit later down the road. Next up, I chopped off the ends of all the asparagus and discarded those and then cut them all into about inch-long strips. I set those in a bowl as well to save for later. Now it's time to start cooking. So I put my pan on my stove and set it to medium-high heat and added about a tablespoon of butter into my pan and just kind of let it warm and melt around the pan. After that, I added in my leeks and I let them soften, but not, get too cooked or crispy or anything. I just softened them up and stirred them up in the butter, and I also added some salt and pepper. After I let them cook for a little bit, I added in the potatoes, and then I added in this entire carton of chicken broth. I started to measure it, but then I realized the amount that I needed was just the entire container, so I gave up and poured the rest in. After that, I went ahead and chopped up the chives to use for the garnish later while the leek potato broth mixture cooked. I let this mixture come to a hard boil and then I let it slow down to a simmer for a little while longer. I stirred it up a little bit and then I let it sit for a little while longer, just until the potatoes softened completely. Then I went ahead and added in the asparagus, mixed it around a tad, and let that cook for a little while longer. Once the asparagus was also decently softened, I mixed it up one more time and then I started to spoon it into my blender. You can also use a food processor for this, or one of those fancy soup blade things, but I chose a blender because that's what I had on hand. I put about half of the mixture into the blender and went ahead and started blending that up. After that seemed pretty smooth and good to go, I added in the second half and spent a while just smoothing it out, blending it up, making sure that it was going to be nice and creamy. Then I put it back into the warm pan with the temperature or the heat off, and I poured it all in there. I added some salt and pepper, and then I spooned it into an awesome Nightmare Before Christmas bowl because we have to be on theme. And I love that my Sally spoon actually matches the Sally soup. I added a little bit more salt and pepper on top, as well as some chives. And then I also decided to do a heavy cream S in the middle to stand for Sally, and I thought that was a really fun way to display it. All right, you guys, it's complete. As you can see, I did a little cream S in the middle to stand for Sally. I thought that was kind of cute. They do top it off with cream in the book, so I figured that would be fun. So Brendan, you want to come in? He's going to help taste test.
That's mad sus.
So I'm going to mix it up, get everything all mixed together.
It's not look very appetizing, I can lie.
Oh, well, yeah, it's green. It's frog's breath or worm's wort and frog's breath soup. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Clink. Your whole back of your head is on camera. Maybe change a little bit. No, like just turn. Yeah, there you go.
Well, hold on, it's a little bit hot.
All right, take two, you guys.
It's a little bit hot.
Yeah, blow on it. Okay, clink. You hate me. It's not bad. It is not a full dinner soup. Honest opinion, what do you think?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
I think if you liked leeks more, you would like it.
Yeah.
Because like I love
don't
leeks.
like leeks that much.
It tastes very just kind of like leeks. Like you can definitely taste the hint of asparagus, but it's mainly just leek tasting.
Not bad.
No, it's not bad.
It's not like
It's definitely an appetizer dish. Like I would not serve this as like a hearty fall soup. This is like definitely an amuse-bouche. It's good though.
So what are you gonna do with all that? You eat it?
Well, yeah.
Oh, shouldn't you eat all of that?
It's not that much. It's just a couple bowls worth. Okay. The first Halloween cook with me is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below while Brendan noisily opens Oreos like he always does in the background of my videos. Okay, that's fine. Thanks, babe. Anyways, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below for 61 days of Halloween hoopla with Holly. That's me. Let's be friends. My Instagrams will be down below as well if you want to come I can talk. If you want to come hang out with me over there. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my bowl of worm's wort and frog's breath soup, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.